The main function of EasyProg is to store, upload, and download the configuration parameters of the controllers. The USB cable is used to establish communication between EasyProg and a controller or computer running CTRAD, enabling the copying or downloading of presets. It is possible to copy presets from the controller to one of the 9 available spaces in EasyProg. To do so, press the Mode key for 1 second. Observe that the yellow LED lights will switch on. Press the Start button and select the number of the desired preset. After that, press and hold Mode key for 1 second and then release it to exit the preset selection menu. To send a preset from EasyProg to the controller, select up arrow, press Start for 1 second and wait for the confirmation. To receive a preset from the controller, select the down arrow, press Start for 1 second and wait for the confirmation. To create presets with CTRAD, EasyProg must be connected to the computer. To create a preset, you need to access File, Preset Editor. The editing screen will open. Click on New Preset, create the desired name, select the model of the controller, and then create the preset according to the required specification. In the following example, only the set point will be modified. Now, we will save the preset in Access. File, EasyProg. The screen that will open is responsible for managing EasyProg. Select the empty position 3 to receive the preset that was just created. When selecting the transfer arrow from computer to EasyProg, we will store the preset in the desired position. If you want to copy the EasyProg preset into the preset editor, select the desired preset and then the transfer arrow from the EasyProg to your computer. Please note that it is also possible to delete presets from EasyProg in order to free space to store new presets. We hope that this video is a great help in answering your questions. Our application engineering support team is always available whenever you need it.